the community, we will always be welcome. In fact, recently the Valencian government has decided to take actions that will promote the inclusion of collectives regardless of their status, such as fairs and other LGTB friendly events. One of the places worth visiting within the Valencian community is the town of Benidorm, where LGBT pride is lived as you see. If you like to enjoy the sea, the numerous coves and beaches compensated with the blue flag are key. We have several naturist beaches, or suitable for bathing with our canine friends. Music, colour and a really festive atmosphere flood our streets. This isn't over. Let's keep going. Without forgetting the Valencian nightlife, thanks to the wide range of exclusive LGBT pubs, clubs and shows like LGBT Friendly. The atmosphere gets great. Would you like to come?